Let's see. Hey, Salty, can you say 800-pound gorilla? Well, there you go.
Can you say that? Are you brave enough?
Are you brave enough? Yeah, 800-pound gorilla.
You did it! You said the line! You attempt to touch Urger's one, your hands slip off.
Like hands off the merch. Chat wanted me to warn you that coming up, there's going to be a boss fight with an 800-pound gorilla.
I think I'm gonna need more hot dogs for that.
Salty, how do you feel about the 800-pound gorilla taking over chat? Yeah, I noticed that. My chat has been talking up this 800-pound gorilla for the past, like, 20 minutes.
The 800-pound gorilla is nothing to be, you know, afraid of.
Oh, God. Human, I remember your 800-pound gorilla. I'm confused as to why people in chat are talking about an 800-pound gorilla. Simple. It's because there's an 800-pound gorilla that we're gonna have to fight in a couple of minutes.
It's a boss battle.
It's you walk into the room and it's like, it's me, a 800-pound gorilla. You can't spare me. You can only kill me. I will murder you.
And he also tries to make you feel really bad while you do it.
Yeah. Like, no, stop, I have children, but I won't let you spare me.
I have that fresh new 80-pound gorilla smell.
But I'm 800 pounds, so it's like
So you don't even fully know what you're dealing with.
Yeah, you don't even know.
Fresh baby 80-pound gorilla versus senile 800-pound gorilla, you don't know the difference.
I smell like an 80-pound gorilla, but I hit like an 800-pound gorilla. The 800-pound gorilla.
Oh no!
It's like beating its chest and shit.
You see the little spider girl, but then an 800-pound gorilla from the back comes out of nowhere and smashes her to the side.
Like smashes her into like a million pieces and like guts on the ground.
He's like, oh, oh, oh! He just starts charging at the character. That was fun. See you again, dearie.
And here comes the 800-pound gorilla.
Oh no! There's two of them! Run! Muffet, run! Oh.
No! What the fuck is this thing? Oh my
God! They got Muffet!
They got Muffet! Dude, holy shit. Undertale 800-pound gorilla AU. Everything's the same, but an 800-pound gorilla comes in, kills Muffet, and then proceeds to start killing all of the monsters in the underground, and the only person who can fix it is the player character.
Undertale G for gorilla.
There's a lot of Undertale AUs, but this one's the best. So, as thanks, I'll give you a handsome reward. I'll push you down a humongous flight of stairs. Make your last living moments absolutely beautiful.
Go, my gorillas! 6 800-pound gorillas come after you. Oh, this song, though. Alright.
Sorry, I put a bunch of gorillas on the screen at once, so I gotta take them off now.
keep them on.
I'll put a tiny gorilla on the bottom left.
Fuck.
That's over.
No!
The gorilla did not help.
The gorilla did not help. Markiplier, stay determined. I think that's the end of Markiplier. Never mind.
Knock 'em dead, darling. And everyone, thank you. You've been a great audience. Hey chat, check out this cool gorilla. Check out that cool gorilla. I managed to open the locker. You two, let me put the 800-pound gorilla in the elevator with you.
If Alphys was an 800-pound gorilla, then maybe I would have liked her a bit more. Is this where we get to hear fingers in his ass?
Hey everybody, welcome to our streams. We're gonna start any second now. Mikey is adjusting things on his end. Asgore is boring when we get the 800-pound Asgorilla fight.
Asgorilla.
Guys, I have amazing news.
PS5s for everybody! Woo!
I've replaced Asgore with a giant gorilla on my screen. Oh shit. Emotional part, my bad.
Here comes the real gorilla!
Wait. And the gorilla goes in for the kill!
Here comes the giant fist! This would be so much more heartfelt if an 800-pound gorilla was right in front of Flowey.
I have amazing news.
You know what'd be even better?
Yeah.
56 800-pound gorillas surrounding Flowey.
I'll kill everyone. Whoa, is that an 800-pound gorilla?
Oh my god, what? Have they been following you this entire time? Why?
Why are they
Why
there?
are 56 800-pound gorillas just with you?
That's insane.
Is this the power of friendship and mercy?
Why are you being so nice to me? I can't understand.
You're a flower, you're stupid, but you're my friend.
You are my friend.
In my demo, sure.
I just can't understand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The goose gorilla slowly sauntering on screen.
I'm trying as hard as I can. Ugh, let me do it.
Did somebody call for an 800-pound gorilla?
Me.
I'm coming.
Where's your friends?
Wait, they're coming. I'm here too. There's only
Where's your
two of us.
12 other friends.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm here. There's three of us now.
That's enough.
Okay, cool.
That's the stuff. All right, now for the final step. Turn up the heat. I'll let the stovetop symbolize your passion. Let your hopes and dreams turn into burning fire. Ready? Don't hold anything back. Hotter.
Do you need help with
Ah,
that?
on it!
Oh my god.
Wait, that's two!
All the gorillas are dead.
Office.
I just wanted to impress you. I just wanted you to think I was smart and cool.
Then an 800-pound gorilla comes in and rips both of them in half.
I'm sorry. Did somebody say... Hold on. Did somebody say... Hold on. Did somebody say... 800-pound gorilla?
No! Is that an 800-pound gorilla? Office, run! Run, save yourself!
Anyway, moving on.
That wasn't some nerdy loser.
I would rather roleplay that we're getting eaten alive and ripped apart by an 800-pound gorilla than do this roleplay segment again.
That I wasn't some nerdy fucking loser.
I don't care if we're watching kid cartoons or reading history books. To me, all that stuff is just nerdy crap.
Ook, I also agree, Alphys.
You tell him, 800-pound gorilla. What I like about you is your passion. You're an animal. It doesn't matter what it is. You care about it.
Yeah.
100% at maximum power. 800-pound gorilla, get her!
Yeah.
So, you don't have to lie to me. Well, I gotta go catch up with them. Later. Where the hell am I? Oh! Oh, I remember this.
Lead the way, 800-pound gorilla. Like, maul her to death.
I thought that's where it was leading to.
Come on.
Why are you guys here?
What's going on? Holy shit. Is that an 800-pound gorilla?
Did you turn into an 800-pound gorilla?
Ook. Guys,
hey, I recognize your voice too.
guys, guess who else is here?
800-pound gorilla?
That's right. It's me. I'm also here.
Kill it! Kill it! End it now! We won't get another chance! Genocide round! Genocide round!
Sorry. I had to bring it back around, I'm sorry. I'm Torio.
It's fitting for the end. And we're here too!
Don't forget about me.
Don't forget about us! You just see the two armored guys still making out.
Yeah. Also, the gorilla's here.
There it is!
Unbelievable. There's an 800 fucking pound gorilla here too?
I thought we killed him!
Can't kill gorillas. Only make them stronger. Hold on.
Save, right?
Yeah, wait. Hold on. I'm doing something. Hold on.
Is it the 800-pound gorilla again?
No! Listen. Just trust me on this, okay? You're my friend. You trust me?
I
Okay.
do. I trust you.
Okay, go for it.
Score. Within the depths of Asriel's soul, something's resonating. The lost souls appear.
You gotta save him. You gotta save him, Mikey. You gotta save
him.
You gotta save Asgore, Toriel, and the gorilla.
Is this what you've been doing?
Yes, this is what I've been doing the entire time.
You tell the lost soul that you have to go if you're going to free everyone.
Ook, ook.
Mercy. You refuse to fight the lost soul. Something about this is so familiar. You look at the 800-pound gorilla soul and respond. Ook.
Ook?
You hug the 800-pound gorilla and tell her that you're going to see her again. Something about this is so familiar to her.
Ook.
Preference. You tell the lost soul you prefer butterscotch instead of cinnamon. Suddenly, her memories are flooding back. Seeing her remember you, the male lost soul tried to remember you too, and as well as the 800-pound gorilla.
Thank you. I'm back, Ook.
future. Oh god, is that an 800-pound gorilla? It seems that there's still one last person that needs to be saved. But who?
We already saved the 800-pound gorilla. Who else is there?
There's no one else that matters.
Yeah.
Tammy?
Temmie like saunters on screen and falls over. At least can have some fun while Mikey's away. Oh my god. This okay, chat, screenshot now. Take your screenshots now, chat. Sorry. Take your screenshots now.
What are you doing?
I replaced Azrael with the gorilla.
Wait, can you leave it on for a second? I want to see
Yeah.
on your stream. I don't know.
Well, now you have to forgive him.
I even love the fact that the heart's already on do not.
Oh my god.
So what happens if I do not?
No, you can do either.
Okay.
Right, Ook. I understand. Me just hope that me can make up for it a little right now. Me can't keep those souls inside me.
Okay, I kind of feel bad that I just didn't forgive this kid.
Sorry, I'll take the gorilla away now.
Oh right, you're looking at the gorilla too.
Sorry.
Right now, so
I can't keep these souls inside me. The like heel turn of tone between Azrael and the gorilla. The least I can do is return them.
one of them sounds innocent. The other one has never regretted anything in his life.
I absorbed all the souls in the underground, and I love bananas.
More souls, more banana for me.
But first, I thought it was gonna say something about bananas.
The barrier was destroyed. Bananas.
Not the one chat member being like, now that was bananas. Hold on. Okay, go.
Do not.
I mean, didn't you just regret saying that you didn't forgive him earlier?
Yeah, I know, but since you probably put the gorilla there, I only wanted to leave it on do not for screen caps.
Okay, go in.
Everyone good?
Everyone good? Everyone's got the screen
Everyone good?
caps?
Everyone got their screen caps?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, shit, wait.
Oh, you fool, you hugged the gorilla, now he's stronger!
Wait a second. Room for one more?
Risk. 800-pound gorilla. You're both going to do a great job, okay? Indeed. No matter what you do, everyone will be there for you, okay?
Ook.
Well, my time's running out. Goodbye. By the way, Frisk, take care of 800-pound gorilla for me, okay? I'm really ruining this scene. I'm sorry, everyone. Oh, you're awake! Thank goodness! Oh wait, sorry, there's one person missing. Okay, continue. When you are ready, we will all return to the surface.
And we'll take out all the surface dwellers.
Yeah! Yeah!
We were evil all along.
Yeah!
Come on, 800-pound gorilla.
Yeah!
Start the hunt.
Oh! Ook ook!
Do as you wish. We will all wait for you here.
Not me. I'm headed on ahead.
Almost there.
I don't remember it looking like this, to be honest. Ew, no.
Wait, Mikey, go back. There's somebody else there.
Not the gorilla.
No, no.
Yeah, you thought you could trick me with the gorilla?
Mikey, you know what this means, right?
Get to bring all the pie!
No, you could play the hit fan game Undertale Yellow now.
I could. We could play it together.
Oh, sorry, I'm busy that day.